Oh hey, it's me, Aalon. Nice to see you. So in this video, we'll take a look at 10 cool new iOS 16 features and let's get started. So the first major upgrade is done to the lock screen. Now you can add widgets to your lock screen, just like you can add on your home screen. It's just like the Apple Watch faces, just press and hold and it will take you to the edit mode. From there, you can change the text, font or text color. And if you don't like the automatic settings, you can tap on the element and you can change this as per your likings. And when you set a portrait mode photo as your lock screen, it will bring the person/object in front of the clock and give it a depth effect. And you can change the background color and add filters and a lot more. There's a new look to music with a bigger album art, but this time with widgets. Apple introduced widgets in iOS 14. The same thing are now on iOS 16 but on your lock screen with a brand new and custom mode for your lock screen. Now you can have multiple lock screens using focus. You can use one for work and one for personal. With just a simple swipe, you can switch to personal mode. This will change the full device look to suit your environment. If you get a lot of notifications, I'm sure you won't be happy looking at your lock screen. And on the other side, you can't see your wallpaper also. So Apple made a solution. They brought the notification bar down to the bottom, which means you can hide and preview your notification directly. Other than that, there's a new feature called live activity. If you're doing a workout or getting updates from the latest football scores, it will update in form of a widget, which means there won't be any clutter of notifications on your lock screen. Talking about iMessage, it always happens that we send a message and you type something wrong. And now with iOS 16, you can edit the text, or the best part, you can directly unsend a message. And also you can mark a read message unread and vice versa. With SharePlay, you could use it only on a FaceTime call. But now you can use the same using iMessage, which means you can enjoy your content with your friends and family at the same time. Now dictation will work much better as you'll be able to type while speaking to avoid errors, and also you can dictate emojis. So moving on to photos. So right now if you click a photo, you can interact and copy the text. But with the new iOS, you can pause a video and copy the text from there. This definitely will save a lot of time to copy codes or copy stuff from meetings or lectures. And now there's a quick and new action in the camera, which lets you convert currency and language text in real time. One of the interesting features in iOS 16 is iCloud shared photos. Actually, it's quite interesting as you can get all the common photos in one place. Other than that, by clicking pictures from the camera, you can directly save it to the shared album. Now let's talk about little features and some updates. The spotlight can be accessed from the bottom of the home page. Other than that, while typing on the keyboard, you'll get haptic feedback. And now you can finally lock photos on your iPhone. Yeah, there was a hidden album, but everyone knew you could just go to settings and unhide that album. But now you can lock the hidden folder. And duplicate photos can be deleted very easily in iOS 16. And on the iPhone 13, you can unlock your iPhone in landscape mode. First, it was not possible, but with iOS 16, it is possible. So the Face ID will be much usable. And here on screen are iOS 16 supported devices. Just see if your device name is there or it's time to upgrade. And iOS 16 will be officially launched to the public in September during the iPhone event. Currently it's in beta and only beta testers and developers have access to that. And if you also get access, don't install it as it will brick your phone. So stay away from that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're interested in more iPhone videos, just click here. And if you're interested in Apple Watch videos, click here. So that being said, I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.